Hi guys, how are you? Hope so everybody is good. Today I'm going to show you how to download iTunes in the Windows. So you can use iTunes same as in the MacBook. So first of all you need to go on google.com and just type iTunes and you will see the iTunes download. You can see the first website iTunes download. Go to the first one for the Windows, click over here and you can see a little bit down, you can see get it from the Microsoft. Just click over there and you will see the iTunes. Just click on get it. Open in the Microsoft Store. Once you went there, go to install. Okay, it's installing. So while on installing, just want to reminder guys, if you are on the first time on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe so that everybody can learn from this channel. It's almost done. Once it's done, you can click on launch. Once you have downloaded the iTunes, you can plug your phone into the computer and you can hear the sound. If you are connecting your iPad or iPhone for the first time, then you need to click on your phone, trust this phone or trust this iPad. Once you trust and click, you can see the iPhone logo or iPad logo on this computer. You can just click and you can see everything same as in the MacBook. You can update, you can restore, you can back up in the iCloud, you can back up in the computer, everything you can restore, you can sync, summary, music, everything. This is on my computer and on the device. Music, movies, TV shows, books, whatever in your phone is showing over here. So you can do same as in the MacBook, how to download the iTunes in Microsoft. So hope so you guys enjoy my videos and learn something. If you have any question, please comment in my comment box and I will try to help you as soon as I can. And otherwise, on the next day, I will send you the message on the comment. Thank you guys. Have a good day.